My name is Vasily Dilan. I have invented and obtained a patent for a mirror in which a person can see themselves from the other side. I suggest you become a co-owner of a company for the production of this technology through investing in my startup. I accept investments beginning from $100. I also invite specialized companies to cooperate because soon such a mirror will be in demand in almost any field of activity. Invest now. These investments will be used to pay for patent work in more than 83 countries around the world. Also, prior to obtaining an official patent applications can be used to conclude contracts for the sale of intellectual property based on submitted patent applications in countries already selected by us. I will also continue to prepare prototypes and participate in exhibitions around the world, which will allow me to spread the information about the technology with a good speed. Beginning from this year, I plan to sign contracts with dozens of mirror factories to launch production of products using my technology. Basically, in the next 3 years, I expect that our products will find demand in at least 15-20 countries, and by 2029, our products will be manufactured in all major countries. I will start paying dividends when I begin cooperating with other factories under franchise agreements. And also, dividends will be paid in 2026 when we finish our factory. The first profit will be directed to the return of your investment. At some point, we will launch an IPO, and then you will be able to sell the shares you bought today for 10 or even 100 times more expensive. Perhaps we are one of the most understandable and transparent startups in the world. All incoming investment and our expenses are under the control of the supervisory committee, which consists of our investors, and we invite you to join it. Every few years, a new revolutionary product appears that changes the world as we know it. And today, all ideas about mirrors will change forever, because we at Dilan Mirror have decided to contribute to this industry. I suggest creating the future together.
Dilan Mirror.
Dilan Mirror.
Dilan Mirror.
Dilan Mirror.